Hey guys, so today we're going to make a chase game like this. Welcome to Ball Chase. Don't let that dude get me. So like that and game over. So create. You don't necessarily have to do like with those particular sprites. I'm gonna see who I'm gonna do. I think I'll do an animal for the main character. I think I'll do crab. Gonna make it smaller so it's not that hard. So maybe 70. Yeah, so when green flag clicked, forever, go to mouse pointer. So yeah, like that. And then we need something to chase it. So what would hunt crabs? I don't know. A person, let's do people. So maybe I'll do another animal. I'll do shark. I'm gonna delete this costume. I'm gonna do this one, not this one. That one looks side. So when green flag clicked, I'm gonna go to 0, 0. So yeah, I'm gonna make it smaller, about 75. Whoa, not that. 75. There. Better. So when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. I'm gonna do a wait. Wait 1 second. And then I'm gonna do point towards crab. And then we're gonna do a glide 1 sec to crab. So like this. It's gonna point at me. But I want it to keep going like that, so like this. Wait, I think I'll make it point in direction 90. So like this. I need to do another point in directions, crab. So like this. I'll make it go a bit faster to make it more challenging. I'm gonna do 0.4, 6. And then you want another when green flag clicked, forever. If touching crab, then we're gonna do broadcast new message. And we're going to broadcast game over. And then we're gonna do a sprite called game over. Text, I'm gonna do white because we're doing an ocean background. So, gonna do marker. Game over. Make it bigger. Put it in the center and then get a backdrop underwater. I think I'll do underwater too. make it size maybe 30. Yeah. I'm gonna make it go here. Save now. So when green flag clicked, go hide. Also go to where it is. No, not go to the random position. And then when I receive game over, show. And then we're going to stop all like this. Yeah. And then we want the crab forever when green flag clicked, forever if touching the shark, then looks hide. And then take out a show for here. And if touching crab, then sounds. No. Yeah. We're gonna do play sound water drop until done. No, not water drop. Bite. Done. Maybe start sound. I wonder if that'll work. Bite. That is not a very good bite sound. Maybe we can try another one. Crunch. Okay, so bite. Oh. So you need to do this play sound bite until done. Then it's game over. Save now. Okay, I'm gonna do crab snack. Okay, so instructions. Whoa. The crab is your player. Don't let the shark eat you. Have fun. You know I add that because if you've seen my other videos, so I'm going to share it and love it. That's the end of this video. Hope you like it. I think it would be pretty easy for you to make since it's a very simple game. Hope everyone else likes it. So until my next video.